Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but we are back with a new video. So in this video, I'm going to be customizing a frontal wig for a client, and the hair is from LUVME Hair, and I'm just going to be showing you guys everything that you get when you purchase from this hair company. So this is the wig. I don't know the inches or anything of the wig that she got, but it was some type of curly texture for sure. So I'm going to be going in with 30 volume developer in this color, and this is this color, the bleach, and this is the type of consistency I got, and I never used enough of product, so I literally struggled to get all the corners. But here I am just spreading out the concoction or whatever this is, spreading it out all over the wig, the lace, and we're going to let this sit for about 15 minutes. So 8 minutes there were 8 minutes left on the timer, and the knots were starting to bleach. So I really like this wig because it does not take the knots long to bleach at all. Like, you can see that it's starting to turn, and I was getting a little scared because I was thinking that, oh my gosh, it's gonna turn the actual hair this color, but it didn't. And this is what we are looking like. I think I had like maybe 3 to 5 minutes left on my timer, so about 10 minutes, 15 to 12 minutes, and it's just so perfect. And this frontal also plucks really well. Like, I'm in love with this hair. Like, it's a 20 out of 10. Okay, I'm also going to be showing you all a little bit of the plucking process. I do have a in-depth video on my channel that I will link in the cards in the description box, so you guys are able to check the video out and get a more longer version of what is going on here. So she wanted a side part, so that's what I'm going to give. And I'm just going to pluck this part and customize it to my liking and get it just as perfect as I can. So after the plucking process, of course, we did lose some of the curl pattern after the hair had dried. So I'm just going to go in with my flat irons and just curl this hair and make it look beautiful. I really do love this hair. It holds the curl extremely well. So I didn't curl the top part because I wanted you all to see how I'm going to go over it with my hot combs to get this part flat. We want the wig to be completely flat as possible. So I'm going to go with my edge booster. I really like this. It works good for me. And I'm just going to do this process throughout the entire top part of the wig. So now we got her curl and she is looking like something. She is cute. Like, look at that. That's gorgeous. I'm so in love. Like, it's gonna give scalp, period. Like, I'm so in love with this hair. I did an amazing job. Like, look at that. Now we're going to get to one of my favorite parts. I don't know why I like this so much. It's very therapeutic for me. But we're going to start cutting off the lace. And I cut as close to the lace as I possibly can. I don't want to, I cut as close to the hairline as I possibly can. I don't know why my words are just mixed up, but I cut as close as the hairline as I possibly can. I don't want to cut off too much and cut off some of the hair, so it looks perfect to me. And I like to use eyebrow razors because it's quick, it's easy, it gives a perfect hairline, and I just prefer it over scissors. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know what videos you guys would like to see next. Don't forget to like this video, comment on this video if you have not commented, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Share my video with your friends, your family, your sister, your aunt. Tell them to subscribe because, you know, it's lit over here, okay? But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.